Hey everyone, if your Vercel deployment gets stuck on the building stage, takes unusually long to complete, or never finishes deploying, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Vercel deployment stuck on building problems in 2026. First, open the deployment logs and monitor the build process carefully. The logs often reveal exactly where the build is hanging and can help identify the root cause. Next, make sure your project builds successfully on your local machine. If the build hangs locally, the same issue will likely occur on Vercel. Another common fix is checking for infinite loops or long-running build scripts. A misconfigured build command can cause the deployment process to remain active indefinitely. You should also review your package dependencies. Outdated, incompatible, or broken packages can sometimes cause the build process to stall. Another helpful step is verifying that all required environment variables are configured correctly. Missing environment variables can cause applications to wait indefinitely for configuration values. If the deployment hangs during dependency installation, try deleting your local node modules folder and lock file, reinstalling dependencies, and pushing a clean update. You should also check your package, JSON scripts. Make sure the build command is correct and does not include commands intended only for local development. And that's how to fix Vercel deployments stuck on building in 2026. In most cases, reviewing build logs, checking dependencies, fixing build scripts, and verifying environment variables will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.